Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to find perimeter. Okay, perimeter is the distance around something. Okay, the distance around something. For example, out in our playground, out there, there's a fence around the outer edge of the playground. That is the perimeter. So if we went and measured that fence, we would find the perimeter of the whole schoolyard. Okay, so the perimeter, just remember, the perimeter is the distance around something. Okay, distance around. So we're looking for this outside edge. And I'm going to show you three different distances today and show you how to find the distance around three different objects. One's going to be a rectangle, one's going to be a square, and then one's just going to be an irregular object. So just any other object. Okay, first of all, let's do the rectangle and the square. So we'll say the rectangle side is, let's say that is 8, and this side is 10. So you know on a rectangle, then this side is 8, and this side would be 10 then, because these are opposite sides are equal on a rectangle. On a square, whatever this side is, all the sides are that. So let's just say this side is 6. That means this side is 6, this side is 6, and this side is 6. Okay, so to find perimeter, we have a formula. It's 2 times the length plus the width. So this stands for length, and this stands for width. Okay, the length is usually how long something is. The width is how wide it is. So if I was talking about me, my length would be this way. This is my length. This is how tall I am. My width would be around this way. So how wide I am. Okay, this is my width. This is my length. Okay, so for the rectangle, the length would be 10. So we're going to plug these numbers right into this formula. Okay, so 10 would be the length. So I'm going to say P. I'm just going to abbreviate perimeter as P. So we'll say P equals 2 times 10 plus the width. The width is 8. So that would be my formula for the rectangle. So the length is 10, the width is 8, so I plug those numbers in. Now I'm going to go ahead and solve. So P equals 2 times 10. What's 2 times 10? Yep, 20. And 2 times 8 is 16. So the perimeter equals 20 plus 16, or 36, and you call that, we just call that units. Because it doesn't say anything up here, it doesn't say feet or inches, so we would just call that units. And if you add these up, if you go ahead and add these up, 8 plus 10 plus 8 plus 10, you come up with the same answer there, 36. So that's our answer if we were going to figure it out for the rectangle. Now the square you can figure out pretty easily. There's a different formula for a square. Okay, so I'm going to put that formula, I can put it right here, I guess. Okay, for the square, the formula is 4 times a side. So perimeter equals 4 times a side. So if you know one side, all the sides of the square are the same. So it's just 4 times that. So P equals 4 times 6. So the side is 6. So 4 times the side is P equals 4 times 6. So the perimeter equals 24 units. So is this 24? If you add them all up, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus another 6 is 18, plus another 6 is 24 units. So it works out. So the formulas work. There's 2 different formulas. So one is a perimeter of a rectangle, and then you have the perimeter of a square, okay? And then for an irregular shape, there isn't a formula for it. Okay, what you do on an irregular shape is you're just going to simply add up all the sides. So what I have to do is I'm going to add up. So let's do this. Let's start on this side. Okay, and I'm going to put a little mark by it. I'm going to put a little mark by it when I do that one. So 6 plus 8 is 14, plus another 6 is 20, plus another 5 is 25, plus another 4 is 29, plus another 4 is 33, plus another 5 is 38. And now I'm back to the one that I already did. So I know my perimeter for this shape up here is 38 units. Okay, because I marked each one, so I knew I counted it already. I like to do that when I'm counting because sometimes when I go around, I forget where I started. And I might count this one a second time. Okay, so try not to count it a second time, otherwise it's going to throw off your perimeter. Okay, so the perimeter, remember guys, is just the distance around something. Distance around something. So there's a formula you can use, and then there's a formula, another formula for a square that you can use. And then if it's an irregular shape, if it's an odd shape like this one is, then you can just count and add up all the units. All right, and that's all there is to perimeter. Okay, so hopefully that'll help you do your assignment, and good luck and have a good day. Bye guys. Bye.